At KodeKloud, we use a unique approach to learning. As they say, we retain 10% of what we read, 20% of what we hear, 30% of what we see, but more than 80% of what we experience. There is no better way to learn than to learn by doing. All of our courses have bite-sized videos that simplify complex concepts and challenge-based labs that help you gain practical experience. One of the challenges that most people face while learning technology is not having the right infrastructure to learn. That's not having access to a high-end system with sufficient resources, or not having the right configuration on your system, such as the right operating system or the virtualization options, or not having enough access to cloud infrastructure without worrying about incurring cloud costs. Which is why we take all of that on us for you. All of our courses have hands-on labs built into them. Our labs open up right in your browser, no matter what operating system you're on. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to start practicing. And you can practice as much as you want for as many hours as you want. The time it takes for you to go from learning a concept by watching a video to actually start practicing the same concept is about 10 seconds. You're given an exclusive environment, such as a Kubernetes cluster if you were learning Kubernetes, or an Ansible controller and multiple target machines if you were learning Ansible. And these are pre-configured to practice the exact topic you just learned about in the previous lecture. Our labs are unique, as in we do not give you a blank environment and ask you to follow a set of instructions or copy and paste commands blindly. Our labs are challenge-based. Each lab that follows a lecture is specifically designed to help you learn the concepts you learned in the previous video. For example, when you're learning to troubleshoot a broken Kubernetes cluster, we give you a broken Kubernetes cluster and ask you to troubleshoot and fix the problem by yourself. And every time you fix it, we break it in a different way each time and ask you to fix it again. When you're learning how to scale up and down an application, we give you an environment that already has an application running with some traffic on it, so you can focus working on scaling up or down the application instances. And this approach makes learning much more engaging and fun and keeps you on your toes. You're always trying things out and breaking things and looking for ways to fix things. And that is the most effective way to learn something. In case you're stuck, we have hints and solutions to help you. And if you're still stuck, we have a thriving community of instructors and other students who are there to help you out. Well, that's all for now. To try out some of our labs, head over and try out some of our free courses.